Nowadays, everyone uses Instagram, and Instagram is also one of the most used social medias, but a lot of Instagram security related cases are there, and I get a lot of DMs like they say that their Instagram is hacked or their Instagram account is lost. So today I am gonna tell you all the major tips that how you can secure and protect your Instagram and how you can make your Insta account an anti-hack account. So with that being said, yo, what's up guys, Divyansh here, and now without any further ado, let's get started. So before we get started, make sure you press the subscribe button along with the bell icon for the future notifications. So the tip number 1 is to have a strong password, and now for this you need to have a combination of alphabets, numbers and symbols in your password. Apart from that, also try to use lower and upper case letters combination, and also try to keep your password of more than 14 digits so it will be very strong to fight against any brute force attack. Also try to keep changing your password every 6 weeks. Now the tip number 2 is to turn on two-factor authentication. Now, two-factor authentication is basically two-steps verification by which you will always get an OTP on your registered mobile number for logging in. Even after entering your username and password, you have to enter the OTP for successful login. Also, they will send you few recovery codes while setting up two-factor authentication, and you can use that recovery codes instead of OTP in case if you are not having access to your mobile number. Now, the third thing you have to do is to add your email address and mobile number on your Instagram account, which is not done by a lot of Instagrammers. And by this, if they forget their password, they just lost their account completely. Also, they add their secondary and tertiary email address in their account, and while recovering the account, they cannot access their email address for the recovery codes. So do add your primary email address by turning off updates and notifications, and by this you can recover your Instagram account instantly even if you will forget your Instagram password. The fourth thing that you have to take care about is that you don't have to click on any link sent by any unknown Instagrammers. Even if they are saying that you want something or for registering in any giveaway, don't click on those kind of links because they gain permission of your Instagram account by your click, and later on they can have access to your Instagram account. The fifth and the last thing is about to not logging anywhere with your Instagram credentials on any third-party websites or followers increaser websites, because while you log in, they take all the permissions and in background they use your account like an auto-liker for liking posts of different auto-like users. And some websites can be malicious like phishing pages, so it will show you an error while logging in, and in background they get your Instagram password. So these were the few tips which will secure your Instagram account completely, and you can develop an anti-hack account by this. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video a lot, and guys, make sure to do follow me on Instagram @techparadise_ for future updates and for exclusive giveaways. So if you have any question in your mind regarding this video, please put a comment below in the comment section, and also give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on tech. I am Divyansh and I am signing off.